anyamuni ikiwele kingdom bunukute wanne mwoke buleni bolo wanne as far back as 2014 afubagomo mjemwana aga na Igbo. From then till now on TV Belaji went on there by Tata. So eventually go up and we Belaji went on there by all nine at the backdrop. Only our four our backdrop here. Unified Igbo now. Actually go up and more belly here. Mama to twenty Yalabama. More young woman, the reason I joined Beba. So many of us residing from what we are doing at the beginning of our journey to life. Whatever you know today. Manife kachasi we sike na Igbo we famwa zanyamu nebe osilike rinne ichekota Igbo aye mani Igbo were a kind of a peculiar character. The way they look at things is quite different from the way people look at things generally. Ndi Igbo a different set of people on planet Earth. Chianyike say Kesianyike to a point that even if we find ourselves in desert, wealth will look for us. Abundant life. But these people happens to be very, very difficult in terms of bringing them together. Manandi Igbo tulelu na gidigidi bu eze agbaka kanyo mamele ogbo ofufu. So nwanne nwoke bido njem a eri mgbe ede na achịkọta ihe gbasara Igbo. O nwere anybody n'ebe a ya sị na ya fotoboro ifoji most of his social media handle eme in terms of bringing the Igbos together. Go places. Discover go a lot of things that even most of our elders don't even know about. Discover there in terms of bringing the Igbos together, uniting us together. So today, I be alkaini anoko call lani go kotoforo kaifo nkai na afubero mana ihe mere ji we no dey ba tata nwa bo all these years on behind the camera now all mere ji we no dey ba tata. And from my own understanding, about the about the unification of Ndi Igbo. Yamaka will carry on your about it. And that is the reason I went on about today. Omoro any part of Nigeria as a nation, or you have to go try to find our people and to bring us together. That is one of the reasons I went on about today. Amaro Mandibu Anyonso Akowalani. Most of this is on a man. I malacha about it, wrap it now, you follow up. The answer is no. If one night working a man, na Igbo pattern. Other than that, no twice we miss a link. Why are we on today? Moreover, the all missing link, go spend the time and money bringing them together so that we will know all that we need to know about ourselves. So today, eji m ohere a biko na-ekene Nzuko anyanwụ n'Iduere Kingdom. Biko ka anyị nabata no Prince Ozugbo. Richard Ozugbo. Thank you, sir. Sir, you're welcome. No, Rinne. The Bible is not a malfunction. You're welcome, sir.
Elder Prince Richard Ozugbo, welcome, sir. Also, welcome, sir. No. Uncle Siane, can I get you?
You're welcome, sir. So if I now call out for that now, all mother web at the where to aja. Kata no abolo boss yellow Igbo. Although easy. A lot of people choose their profession, but he chooses to do this and he's doing it well. So I want to once more welcome you to this great occasion. And I want to thank God for giving us such privilege to be here. In summary, I want you to relax. We are going to unfold most of the things that you need to know about this journey. It's a brave journey. It's a wise one. He has spent years making sure that today will come. And I am glad to be part of this making event. Is somebody that I don't know how to describe him. Somebody who has passion, vision for his people. Nze Anyanwụ had 110% passion for Igbo race. Thank you and God bless.
Dalo ebo pulishe nze anyanwụ akpọ oke n'Iduere Kingdom. Yes, I na-ekelere gị. Na this very time, I chọrọ na nabata ya bụ oke mmọnwụ Igbo jide ebube. Ojemba. Kọbenye anyị ya bụ akụkọ na-eme na asị na onye njenje na aka onye isi ahụ ya nwa nwoke m ejego njem dị gị si wee na-anụ gị ya ị na-anụ na ntị m ya afịa na ụbọchị taa taa maka na okwu na-adị mma Honorable Excellency also chief Ojemba Anyanwụ n'Iduere Kingdom ana mati mo bi ti ko ga nyaaye ti ya braso mo si o bi leta mo ke na beta pike gije mo na ana mata mo Anyanwụ wane geti ora mo ka furu go
please wait while you
mo ke na ta mo le je o yo ba gidi aka
When the media show when I get it goes on as a good
because
I go say have pictures. I was really Igbo ekele m unu. Igbo ma no mma. Igbo ka no nka. Ana m ekele ụmụnne m na ụmụnna m, ndị nna m ha, ndị nne m, ndị gbapụtara n'ebe a taa ịnọnyere ndị Igbo niile maka na awụghị sọsọ Chukwuemeka Ojemba ga-eji gbakọ. Ojemba dị Igbo voyage awụ akụkọ so na akụkọ. Ọwụ ya dị nta akụkọ mana ọwa akụkọ so na akụkọ. Ana m ekele unu maka na mgbe ọbụla ọ wụrụ na ihe Igbo otu obi si eme m ọ na-adị iche. Ya bụ ka anyị ji sị anyị ga na-eme, anyị ga na-aga. Ọ bụrụgodị na ọ bụ ihe ga-eri isi anyị, we will never fret, we will never, anyị aga ụjọ aga atọ, obi aga amapụ anyị pay the ultimate sacrifice for our Igbo, because our fathers did so and they are blessed. Igbo onye Igbo never be kupụrụ onwe gị aka. I respected elder Ali Igbo niile. I was privileged. Yesterday was the second time I'm with that privilege, with him and his wisdom. Yesterday, the best part of him. In a brief moment, he was already in 50 years of history in 2 hours. I am here thanking an elder statesman in Ali Igbo, onye kwesịrị inye nsọpụrụ, in the person of Elder Prince Richard Osugbo. Thank you, Elder, for being here with us. Thank you. I recognize you. I recognize you. And I'm also recognizing my amiable barrister. The infatigable barrister Uchokubu, Ufunwa Monona La Elele, the Ikwere local government area. Please, a round of applause. I'll make a lay Nde Nunyekwere na Anyeta Nzanya Mwaboki, Onyamuleshi, so Wurunze, na Ali Tueri Kingdom. Manu Eze Chukwemeke Ritera Enisi. We are firebrand, isn't we? Aren't we? Oh my now, what you see, no guitar Manu Naigawa. And since then, the protection, the supernatural protection of Ali Igbo is right with us. Honor now. Thank you. I'll make it like a job. I'll make it. I'll make it a way. It's what the Onyamulea now. He is very strong, fierce, unnamed. He has been brutalized and a lot of things. As a lot of us, a lot of Ndenugweba, even Barrister Chokubu has, for the interest of Ali, been incarcerated one time, but God gave him favor and gave him grace. He is here out today. But I take it right now, comrade Ibayaka. I believe people like me, I want him to get away from you, when him not get away, but him get away. Thank you. Thank you. All right, only one day in Sobo, only one day in a Benue, only one day in a Kogi, Cross River, Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, Rivers, Delta, Nedo, and make a little in Ndoba in Haneba, Nde, Afrugo, Ndafrugo, Nde, Anahona, Kogi State, na Igalamela local government area. By the grace of God, I was part of the people that journeyed there. My brother, when I said, I believe by this time next year, maybe you'll take Chagabuya because he's writing too. Well, I am welcoming you all to Nzuko 2025. Thank you all for coming here today. Onyani to Ojemba, indeed. Ojemba also be a home from Bedromo, Batanapala, or Ojemba. No, we have invested our energy, our youth in the journey of Ali Igbo by taking it upon ourselves to start a journey at Unify Igbos Now. Unify Igbos Now, Njema Haibidoro. Haibidoro na agari na all the whole local governments area. Ndenge aimana wundi Igbo ndị na-asụ bịa as come n'Igbo ndị na-akpọ mini ndị ahụ na-akpọ aka ụfọdụ na-akpọ ya eka aka ndị ahụ na-akpọ Almighty God Chukwu Okike ụfọdụ na-akpọ Chi Okike ụfọdụ na-akpọ Chi ụfọdụ na-akpọ Chukwu Okike mana ihe niile ahụ wụ ofu ebe a ka njem akpọrọ Unify Igbos Now bidoro anyị bịara na-agagharị si na Ikwere na the whole 4 local governments area ndị Igbo enwe na Rivers State. Anyị si aba na ọgwa ebe ma ndị ọnụ ebe a gara na-ajụ ese kedu otu isi na-aza Chukwuemeka ịgwazie mụ na Chukwuemeka nke gị awụ ofu ihe na Chukwuemeka nke ahụrụ n'ala Ngwa, Chukwuemeka nke ahụrụ n'ala Owerri, Chukwuemeka nke ahụrụ na Ọka, Chukwuemeka ahụrụ n'Ọnịcha ya na Chukwuemeka ahụrụ n'Isi Eza, Chukwuemeka ndị Nsụka kedu otu isi dịrị iche ha enyeghị ime ọsịsa maka na anyị bụ ndị Igbo. Anyị ji ajụjụ na-aba mana ihe m na-achọ ịkọwara unu na onweghị onye sataliri ihe o ji wụrụ na Chukwuemeka nke ya maọbụ Chima nke ya ji dị iche, onwe onye sataliri ha niile ahụ na-ekwukwa ofu ihe. Mgbe a ga-eji mara na lack of education sometimes mere, and mgbe anyị jizi na-aba deeper anyị na-ahụta na sometimes a way of survival. Ndị Igbo agabigala ọtụtụ ihe, ndị Igbo agabigala a time of war, a time of persecution and tribulation, a time a na-achụso ndị Igbo ka egbuo. Onye a na-achụ ka egbuo ga-achọ survive. Ihe ndịgodi mkpawo idekwara ndụ. Most of those people chọrọ ịdị ndụ gara kọrọ ụmụ ha sị ha biko hapụ unu asịsịrị m unu ndị a webuzie unu wo ndị a maka na ndị a unu na-asụ n'unu ma owu anyị wụ a na-achọ anyị ka egbuo. A lot of people were killed during the Nigerian Civil War. Ebe a lụrụ agha ahụ n'ala Igbo, ebe ahụ ka identity anyị ụfọdụ ndị nwere ihe ha ga-akọ, mana ebe m chuzuru my own area of specialty wụ the identity of ndị Igbo. Anyị ji na-ajụ ezi, anyị ebilitego ịkpọkọta ụmụnne anyị ya ka eji jiri njem ahụ na-aba Unify Igbos Now na-ajụ ezi. Mgbe anyị ji mata ihe iwu nsogbu, anyị ebido njem nke anyị kpọrọ ana m achọ nwanne m. Ana m achọ nwanne m is supposed to be our international unification project. Yes, 2 times we have been sponsored to go look for ndị Igbo in abroad by a very reputable company, Pioneer Estates and Properties Limited. Sponsor anyị gawa na mba Africa ndị ọzọ na-achọ ndị Igbo. Ana m achọ nwanne m. Njem niile a anyị gakọrọ mata nke wụ eziokwu, ihe ndị nke anyị hụrụ n'anya na ndị nke anyị nụrụ na ntị ka anyị ji wepụta akwụkwọ nke a kpọrọ Ojemba the Igbo Voyager, a traveler in the crossroads of his destiny and that of a nation. Anyị aga-agacha ihe niile a ghara itinye ya, ghara ịpass ya down to the next generation, ghara ịkọwapụta ihe ndị nke anyị nụrụ na ntị ya na ndị nke anyị hụrụ n'anya. Nobody can deprive us that right, that singular right of putting our stories down, because most of the things in Merania as in Igbo, most of the greatest undoing will only Igbo, which mato me abido dewe or the late, those are called Kokidani. And the worst part of it was they say no victor, no vanquished. But we already know, right? That's not the victor wrote the story. But today, this time around, IG empirical evidence focus on the identity of Igbo, because only when the Igbos are united and stand as one and speak one in one voice, be it culturally, be it politically, be it in any form, that is the only time that we shall stand, that we shall be able to be strong. Yes. And sometimes in the group we see that Igbo lacks what they call leadership qualities. But that is like we all know. The only thing that we lack is the ability to stand strong and unite ourselves and be able to stand behind the powerful, the most intelligent people amongst us, the most fearless people who are not afraid to talk about Igbo. We fail to stand behind them. We tend to leave them behind. We tend to forsake them. We tend to even join the outsiders in persecuting them, in calling them evil names. We know. Most of these leaders are here today. But today we say to them, our elders who are here with us, and every leader who has suffered one persecution or the other, who has suffered non-support from Igbo, we are here today to re-establish to you that we are standing right behind you this time around, and we are not going to forsake our leaders. A round of applause for Igbo because the Unified Igbos now. The Unified Igbos now did not just focus on gains. No, there hasn't been much of material gains, but there have been so much bounties or bountiful gains in the voices that we have helped amplify. Before the Unified Igbos now, nobody was bold enough to come out from all these areas and have that audience, that audacity to proclaim that he is an Igbo person. All the way I know him. That the Unified Igbos now gave the spark. These people, all the people that we've helped, giving voice, all the whole sociocultural groups today, and all the whole movements that are sprouting, that are coming out from all these Igbo towns that are outside Southeast, we are all empowered by the bold movements of the Unified Igbos now. Ojemba, that's journey.
You're right.
In the River State, Jokuno, IIC, being headed by a brother, Chimenuma Amadi. Part of that story I did in Ojemba, the Igbo Voyager, is how we sparked that brother, that same movement, how we ignited it. IIC, they are very powerful right now in River State. They are making wonders, going places. Everybody are joining there in River State. But the spark started from the Unified Igbos now. Everybody was like, Nde Edos with fuel, not just matches. And when the movements, that journey crossed their path, they ignited and everywhere became fire. Are we talking about the Ndena Sopia social cultural group today, which are superheading the creation of Anioma State? How the current agitation for Anioma State is today, it is through Unified Igbos now. It is through the journeys of Ojemba. And Ndena Sopia social cultural group today has become a formidable force in the Anioma region, championing the creation of the 6th southeastern state, which is the Anioma, which by the grace of God, your help today, we shall be having a referendum of our own. Gay decided the southeast state. We shall be doing this today. So Nde Kogi are right there forming a movement of the Kogi Igbos Youth Front. The voice of Kogi, they are here today, they are representatives, they are secretaries, and every person that are in that particular front today are here today. And also our brothers in Edo, the Banke people, being represented by our brother Apostle Azuka. These are all the gains of Unified Igbos now and the journey of Ojemba. And I can only feel thankful to God for using me as a vessel. Because sometimes I feel that even though God decided to take me today, that I have achieved something that will still be after I am gone. And that is the greatest achievement anybody can have. Not the houses that we build, not the cars that we drive, not the many women that we marry, but the name, the legacy